Problem 2, section C. Let's go to Solidworks. Let's first put the global variables. A is 35, B is 80, C is 1. Apply the material, aluminium 1060 alloy, and add the mass property sensor. Now let's start sketching on the front plane. To create a profile, just make one of the teeth first. The dimensions, this one is equal to A, we'll put equals to A. You can make a center line here to add the angles. This angle is 93, and this would also be 93. 180 minus 87. This is equal to C. Also this is equal to C. And this distance is 5. This is done. Now we have to pattern these lines, but not this extended line. So we can take a center line over here. To cut this line into two, we can just trim it once and add another line. Then select these both lines, pressing shift key, and make collinear. Now everything is constrained. Let's select these three lines and this one. Now go to linear sketch pattern, change the direction, and we need 12 of these. Okay, press enter. Now to join these, we can just drag this point over here, put it there, and it is constrained. Now trim this last edge and extend this, and finally till here to close the sketch. The sketch is complete, everything is constrained. Now let's go to extrude. This would be equal to B. And the model is completed. Let's check the mass, 265.89 and 265.89. So yes, this is correct. Now for the second part, the equations. This is 108. This is 12. And this is 1.5. The answers in the PDF would not match with these. Those answers are wrong, so you can check with my answers here. This is 302.86, and also for the third part, this is 118, this is 14, and this is 2. So you can check with my answer, that is 441.67. So this is it. Problem 2 is completed here. We'll move to the next problem in the next video. Thank you.